guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Long time no see. I have no excuse. I do apologize. We are in a midst of construction. I should say finishing up the kitchen and also doing a few add-on to the living room. So I will show you guys what's been going on. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. I'm still trying to get settled into this home. We've been in this home for 2 years. This past July, I want to say. I don't know if it's June or July that we closed, but we've been slowly trying to update it and make it into our own home. So taking it from a house to a home takes time. There has been few pieces and few things that has happened that kind of's been out of our control, and also led us to tackle a few spaces a little earlier than we expected, like our laundry room. So when we started the kitchen, I knew that when my contractor come, I wanted to add the light sconce to this living room. So we did that, and there was like unexpected issue that took a little longer, and the place is still disaster. The main focus was the kitchen, and in the midst of doing the kitchen, and it's been ups and down with ordering the wrong cabinet size, things coming broken, adjustment on design. So it's taking a little longer because I want it done right. Although this kitchen, as I shared in mini home update, was not planned. If we would have planned this kitchen for my own timing, there's a lot of maybe pieces that we'll probably done differently. Like I would have loved to remove the bar area, just make it more open to this room. I'm still thinking about just dropping the bar area to making it counter depth, but that's a story for another day. Right now I'm just over the mess. What else? So in the midst of doing the kitchen, washer broke. So we end up getting a new set, and as we cleared the old set, I told hubby, I'm like, let's paint and do floors. So we end up taking on another project that was very unexpected, but it made more sense to us to have the room clear, do the floor, do the paint, so we have a brand new set coming in. And I'm so happy we did that last weekend, and it's completely done. We got the washer and dryer 2 days ago, so I've been doing laundry for 2 days for 2 days just because it was delayed. So things like that. So I'm going to turn around the camera, and I'm doing this for my iPhone. So if the quality is not the best, bear with me, you guys. I'm trying to do better, but life just been busy, and the kids are back to school. How is your kiddos? Or they're back in school? How you holding up? First day of school was very joyful for me because it was the first time in a long time since I had the house myself, because my oldest was virtual last year, so it felt good. But it's not like a joyful moment where I was like relaxing. I was trying to get some house project done. So anyway, let's turn around so you guys can see what's going on in the Julie Simply Love home. All right, you guys, so we leaning more towards like the happy medium. I want to say the finish line, but not quite finish line. So let me explain what's going on. So this light fixture, I'm not sure if it will stay. Originally, I put this on. It was a partnership with Kishler Lighting on my Instagram, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it was wow. It's bold, it's beautiful. But now that we have the built-in hood range, so my hubby built this up, and I'm still trying to decide whether I want to paint it black or keep it white. Right now, just a primer that's on it. On the side of the hood range, we painted it black because, like I said, originally that was the plan as far as design goes. So the kitchen is from IKEA. My cabinetry is all from IKEA. You guys remember last year we did the base. So now we are finishing the upper cabinet. The ceilings are quite tall in this home, which we absolutely love, but I wanted to maximize every corner, so we went with 30-inch cabinet and also 20. Originally, I thought we could do 40-inch cabinet and then a smaller cabinet, but IKEA has a 15 and a 20-inch as far as like upper cabinet. So there's no way we could have fit a 42-inch cabinet and then a 15-inch because that would have been too long. but 30 and 20 end up working perfectly, and we still have, like, we went a little higher than the required height. I think the required height from counter to ceiling, from counter to cabinet is 17. I think we went 20, just to maximize the space a little bit. I wish it was a little lower, but at the same time, I'm happy because we're gonna have so much more counter space to fill in the backsplash of this kitchen. Speaking of backsplash, we end up finding a stone from Floor & Decor. So it is a porcelain, I want to say porcelain, yeah, I think it's a porcelain tile that kind of replicates our countertop. So just to save on money, just because when it comes to like kitchen renovation, if you don't budget, there's gonna be some very unexpected changes and also unexpected expense. Like we decided last minute to add a pot filler. Right now what my contractor is doing, he's adding light underneath the cabinet, not light, outlet underneath the cabinet. So all these existing outlet are going to be closed. It's currently open because he needs to do the pot filler, and I'll show you guys the style that I end up picking with the family. So here is a stove. We had to get an adjustment cabinet for this side because, I should say door, because the original cabinet size that we had here was a large. Now that we have this built-in microwave that I absolutely love, we're not done installing. As you can tell, it's still open. The handle will be gold. We haven't changed that as well. This is very similar to what we had in our previous home, which I absolutely love. We wanted to go with that same company that we went with our previous home, but the only thing that could go with the aesthetic of the stove was this one. Let me close this. So although they're two different line, I think they're part from the same family because their design are very similar. So this is by Kush and this is by Z-Line. Again, the gold hardware is underneath there. We haven't changed that. So once it's done, it's going to match the hood range very, very well. Now, this is why I need your help. Okay. So I just got some hardware in from Amazon. So this is the pulls that we're going to be going with. Hold on, my camera is focusing more on me and not on the actual object. So this is the pull. I'm going to have it close to the stove, or I should say like the hood range. I said the hood range. I'm going to have I been saying hood range this whole time? I'm going to have it close to my range so you guys can see it. So I pull a poll on Instagram. The option were a gold hardware, a black hardware, or a brown hardware. Most people were leaning towards more gold, but the thing about me, I just love a dab of gold. But at the same time, like, you know, my appliances handles all gold. So from Amazon, and this was like a family decision for us to pick a pot filler. So I found this one on Amazon. It is so pretty. It goes so well with the hood range. Well, I keep saying the hood range. It goes well with my range and also goes well with the pull-out microwave. So I wanted to pick gold, but family leaned towards black and gold. So we got black and gold. So once it's hung or done, it is nice. Oh, this is the right position. I think so. Okay, so once it's done, it's very nice. So when you're cooking, you can just pull this out and drain water out. Honestly, I had this in my old kitchen. I used it like sometime. It wasn't like a far distance from the stove to my sink. So I only used it a couple of times. But in this house, like the kitchen is a bit bigger. Although it's not only but 3 steps to the my sink, but it's still a very nice touch to have a pot filler, especially when you're cooking in that time. If you're making fufu, if you're making fufu, you need a little bit of water. This will come very handy, okay? I'm justifying it, but again, with design aesthetic, if you're renovating a kitchen, I highly recommend pot filler, and they're very inexpensive. This was like under $120 from Amazon. Again, I wanted to pick the gold one, which I'll leave the color here, and also I'll leave the color of the one that I end up selecting here so you guys can see. Let me know. I can still do some adjustments, but let me show you guys the hardware against the cabinet right now. Okay, so again, here it is. And I want you guys to vision that together. I feel like if I make the hood range black, then having this black all throughout is going to, you know, make sense for me. But I don't know, you guys. I have this in gold. I don't know where I put it, you guys. I ordered so many samples. Now I'm like, where did I put it? Where did I put it? But this came from Amazon as well. My girlfriend Moji from Moji Style Home has the gold one, and it's part of that same line that she has, but I ordered this one in the matte black. So again, they have a shorter version. Don't mind, we still have like the plastic protector on the cabinet, just because we're still hard working at it. We have light strip going underneath the cabinet. Also have light inside the cabinet to give it a nice glow. And this was done last minute, so it's a little like backward, but I don't care as long as it's in there. So we have light here, and it's going to be light right here. And also on this side, we wanted to maximize the wall space. Again, don't mind these shelves. They are for our laundry room, which I'll show you guys that. So on this wall, we are missing one cabinet that's going to take this all the way up to the ceiling. Another cabinet that will go on top of the fridge. Same color palette, but I feel like now I'm leaning more towards the black. With this, I feel like black definitely goes. I built and designed this kitchen around my fridge, but then again, you know, appliances do fall apart. So in case we end up changing the fridge down the long run, I still want to make sure I love everything that I selected. So island is black. All the cabinets are white. So I still need your vote to let me know whether I should make this white or make it black. And also the pot filler, I need your help whether we should do gold or stick to that main color. Now let me take you guys to my living room. Laundry room first. The original audio was a little too loud, so because I was doing laundry, but I want to show you guys how our laundry room looked before. We changed the floor. I painted the ceiling Chantilly lace by Benjamin Moore. We upgraded the floor to a luxury vinyl that's waterproof, and we absolutely love it. Don't mind the mess on the floor. I was tackling 2 weeks of laundry. So these are the new washer and dryer, and we got front load this time. First time ever having front load, and we love it so far. So we still have quite a bit to go. We have shelving to put up, but so far we are loving it. So I wanted to show you guys what's going on in the living room, but I'm going to just keep that. You guys bear with me. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks we are done, so we can get, like, you guys know fall is like my favorite time of the year to decorate and also style my home, but it's just been impossible. It's very hard staying motivated with this disaster that's going on behind me. But I hope you guys are well and you are safe wherever you are. Until the next time, my friends, I see you guys all in a brand new video. Mwah. Bye.